Presentation on Raktapitta, group of bleeding disorders. See these pics that you'd get some idea of the disease Raktapitta. Definition of Raktapitta. Raktapitta is a bleeding disorder in which blood is vitiated by the pitta and flows out of the body through the orifices. That is, it may be of the upper orifices or lower orifices, such as nasal bleeding, rectal bleeding, etc. It is considered as one among the Ashtamahagada. Definition of Raktapitta. Samyogat dushanat tat samanyat gandhavarnayoho raktasa pittamakhyatam raktapittam manishibihi. The pitta dosha combines with the rakta dhatu and imparts the gandha and varna to the rakta and flows out of the body to the orifices. Hence it is called as Raktapitta. Nidana of Raktapitta. That is Ushnahara, Tikshna, Amla Lavana Katu, that is Pittakarahara, Atapasevana, Vidahiyahara, etc. Some specific Nidana of Raktapitta are Snigdoshnam, Ushnaruksham cha Raktapittasya Karanam. That is, if Snigdha and Ushna are there, then it leads to the Urdhvagata Raktapitta, that is bleeding to the upper orifices. If Ushna and Ruksha are there, it leads to the Adhogata Raktapitta, that is bleeding through the lower orifices. Samprapti of Raktapitta. Nidana Sevana leads to the Pitta Prakopa and increase in the Ushna and Tikshna Guna. Extract the liquid part of the Drava out of the Pitta. Due to Ashray Bhava, Pitta moves to the Raktava Sroto Mula. What is Raktava Sroto Mula? Raktavanam Srotasam Yakrun Mulam Plihascha. That is, Pitta stays in the Mukha of the Yakrit and Pliha and invades Rakta coming out of the Srotas. Because of that, Rakta undergoes Dushti when it interacts with the Pitta. By Ushna Guna of the Pitta, Drava is extracted. Combination of Dushta Pitta and Rakta causes increased volume in the body. That is, if Kapha is associated with that, then Urdhva Pravrutti of Rakta Pitta from Amasya. That is, if the Urdhva Pravrutti means it comes out through the upper orifices. That is, through the nose, mouth, eyes or ears. It is called as Urdhvagata Rakta Pitta. If Vata is associated, then Adho Pravrutti of Rakta Pitta from Amasya. That is, the bleeding or the blood oozes out through the urethra or through the anal canal. It is called as Adhogata Rakta Pitta. If both Vata and Kapha are involved, then it is called as Ubhaya Pravrutti of Rakta Pitta is there. That is called Ubhayagata Rakta Pitta. That is it from both the orifices. Types and Lakshana of Rakta Pitta. Rakta Pitta is classified based on first classification based on Gati, second classification based on Dosha predominance. That is based on Gati. Urdhvagata Rakta Pitta, Adhogata Rakta Pitta and Ubhayagata Rakta Pitta. In Urdhvagata Rakta Pitta, bleeding is from the nose, mouth, eyes and ears. In Adhogata Rakta Pitta, bleeding is from urethra and anus. In Ubhayagata Rakta Pitta, bleeding is from both the upper and lower orifices. In Urdhvagata Rakta Pitta, Kapha predominance is there. Adhogata Rakta Pitta, Vata predominance is there due to Vata. In Ubhayagata Rakta Pitta, Vata and Kapha Dosha Visheshan is there based on the Dosha predominance. Sadhya Sadhata of Rakta Pitta. Sadhyam Urdhogam, Yapyam to Adhogam. If Urdhvagata Rakta Pitta or bleeding from the upper orifices to the nose, mouth or ear is there, then it is Sadhya. If it is of Adhogata Rakta Pitta, that is bleeding from the urethra or through the anus, then it is Yapya, that is manageable. And if it is Ubhayagata Rakta Pitta bleeding from both the orifices, both from the upper and lower root, then it is Asadhya. Ek doshanugam sadhyam. If one dosha is involved, then it is sadhya. Dvi doshanugam yapyam uchyate. If two doshas are involved, then it is yapya. If three doshas are involved, yat three dosham asadhyam. It is asadhya. Chikitsa sutrana. Akshina balam mamsasya raktapitam yadashnatha tad dosha dushtam utklistam nadaustambanam arhati. That is, if the person is akshina bala, having strength not depleted, or if the raktapitta is because of santarpana or overnourishment, then Nadaustambanam Arhati. Don't go for a Sambana at the beginning. Why you should not go for a Sambana for the Akshina? Because he is Balavan. Let the doshas, vitiated Rakta, get out of the body. That is well and good. And why we have to go for Stambana in the Kshina? We have to go for Stambana in the Kshina because as we know, the Pramukha karma of the Rakta is Jivana. For that sake, if he is already emaciated, the excessive blood goes out of the body, then patient may die. Second one, Langanam Raktapitta Tarpanava Proyajeta. If it is Urdhvagata Raktapitta, then go for Langana. If it is Adhogata Raktapitta, go for Tarpana. If Urdhvagata Rakta Pitta, go for Langana because Kapha is vitiated or Kapha is involved in the Urdhvagata Rakta Pitta. So we all know that Rasajanam Vikaranam Sarva Langana Moshadam. Rasa and Kapha, Ashray Ashray Bhava, we know that. So go for the Langana. And in Vata, in case of Vata, the Vishesh Chikitsa is, according to Samanesa Siddhanta, we should go for Tarpana. Coming for Pratimarga Harana Chikitsa or Shodhana therapy. Akshina applications. Virechanam Urdhvabhagam Adhogam Vamanena cha. That is Virechana in the Urdhvagata Rakta Pitta Adhogam Vamanena cha. That is if Adhogata Rakta Pitta is there for go for Vamana. That is it is nothing but treating from the opposite sides. That is Pratimarga Harana Chikitsa, opposite route, treating from the opposite route. If some Shamana Ushtis and many other kashas have been explained and mentioned by the Acharya Charaka, but if that disease didn't subside by the above mentioned Avaleha or Kashaya and all, then Acharya Charaka said there is one magic remedy, that is Chagapayaha Shatparam, goat's milk. Chagapayaha Shatparam. Goat's milk is best in Rakta Pitta. Prayogam Gavyam Shritam Panchagune Jaleva Sasharkara Makshikam Samprayuktam. That is Prayoge, if you won't go for Chagapaya, goat's milk, then Gavyam Shritam Panchagune Jaleva. That is the milk should be added with, one part of the milk should be added with 5 parts of the water. Then Sharkara and Makshika, that is honey, should be added to it and given for the patient. If the bleeding is through the urinary tract, then Shatavari Goksurakahi Shritam Vachatam Payo Vapyam Parnibihi Raktam Nihentasu Visheshastav Yan Mutramargat Sarujam Prayati. That is Visheshastu Yan Mutramargat Sarujam. If the bleeding is from Mutramarga along with pain, that is Sarujam, then Shatavari and Goksura along with Parnibihi, that is Prishnaparni and Shalaparni, should be boiled with Paya, that is cow's milk, and given to the patient. It subsides bleeding through the urinary tract. And from the bleeding from the anus, Visheshato Vit Patasamrute Payomatam Mocharasam Siddham. If the bleeding is through the anus, then Payomatam Mocharasam Siddham. Boil the Mocharasa along with the Paya and it should be given. Thank you.